Today, we will talk about how to implement user login and user logout at the front-end page. First, open navigation.js file and the front-end components layout folder. Import root and link functions from React router DOM package. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. After form HTML block, add two link HTML blocks. One is for login and another is for logout. Here we use link tag instead of HTML A tag. The major difference between link and A tags is page re-rendering. HTML A tag will re-render the whole page. Link tag more like Ajax call, only render the page contents which had new updates. Inside the link tag, we add bootstrap icon by using class name bi-icon name. Let's go to bootstrap icon's website. Click install link. Select CDN method by copy the style sheet link. Go back to editor. Open index.html file and the front-end public folder. Scroll down to the end of the file. Paste the style sheet link. Then we can add bootstrap icons to our pages. Go back to bootstrap icons website. Click icons link. You can type the keyword search. Here we enter login. Select the door open file icon. At the right hand, you can see the icon font. Copy, paste, and go. That's how to add bootstrap icons. It's pretty straightforward. There are also other ways to do that, such as React bootstrap icons, but I found they are not user-friendly for beginners. Next step, we will toggle display the login and logout buttons. First, let's comment out the shopping cart button by wrapping form HTML block with curly brackets, backslash, and star. How can we toggle display those two buttons? If a user has logged in, the login button will be hidden. The logout button will display. Otherwise, the login button will display when user not logged in. Go back to navigation.js file. Import use dispatch and use selector functions from React Redux package. Inside the navigation function, define dispatch variable by use dispatch methods. Extract user variable from a user select function. The function returns one partition of state variable. Scroll down to the bottom page, add one conditional statement. If a user value is not none, it means user has logged in. We will only display logout button. If user value is none, it means user has not logged in yet. We will only display login button. We already have login function ready. Next step, we need to create logout function. Open user-reducer.js file under src reducers folder. Inside the login reducer function, we have created login actions. Add two new logout action types. One is logout success, another is logout fail. Both actions will return user variable as none. Next step, we need to create a logout action. Open user-action.js file under actions folder. Add a new function named logout. First, call the backend API for logout HTTP request. Second, dispatch logout success action type. Otherwise, dispatch logout fail action type. Now we have a logout function ready. Let's add logout function to navigation button. Open navigation.js file. Enter components layout folder. First import logout function from user action file. Then we create a new function named logout handler. Inside the logout handler function, calling dispatch methods, and pass logout function as parameter. Make sure it includes parentheses, otherwise it will not work. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, find the link HTML blocks, remove the logout URL, and add onClick event function. Pass the logout handler function as a parameter. Now we have finished the setup. Let's test the page. Today we have learned how to implement user login and logout at the front end. Next time, we will talk about how to create user profile.